Here's a mistake that trips up nearly every Python beginner: seeing optional and thinking it means the parameter is optional. Let's clear this up once and for all. Optional is a type hint from the typing module that tells you a variable can hold either a specific type or none. When you see optional of string, it means this variable can be a string, or it can be none. That's it. The name is a bit misleading, but it has nothing to do with whether a parameter has a default value. There are actually 3 ways to write the same thing. Optional of x is just shorthand for union of x and none. And since Python 3.10, you can use the pipe syntax, x pipe none. They're completely equivalent, so pick whichever style your team prefers. Now here's the critical distinction. Optional does not make the parameter optional in function signatures. If you want an actual optional parameter, you need to provide a default value. You can use optional without a default, and you can have a default value without optional. They're independent concepts that just happen to work well together. So why bother with optional? It enables static type checkers like MyPy to catch bugs before runtime. Your IDE can warn you when you forget to handle the none case. It makes your code self-documenting, showing other developers that none is a valid value they need to account for. It's not enforced at runtime, but it's invaluable for preventing null pointer errors during development. Remember, optional means the value can be the specified type or none. It has nothing to do with whether the parameter is optional. Keep practicing with type hints, and you'll write safer Python code. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.